Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Aiza Beg and you are most welcome to my kitchen. As you have seen today's title, on this video I will be showing with you a recipe of honey garlic chicken. I hope you like it. If you like my recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. So let's go and get started. For honey garlic chicken, I have taken boneless chicken 500 grams, all-purpose flour 1 cup, corn flour 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, red crushed chilies 1.5 teaspoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 cup, honey 4 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoon salt.